Hey Busy Mama girlies, I'm back. I just wanted to show you a few quick tricks that I've been learning on getting pouty, ombre, bigger looking lips in just a few steps, and I'm loving it. So I wanted to share that with you, and here we go. First thing I do is I line my lips, slightly overline my lips. I'll show you what I mean. I'm using this lip crayon. It's a matte lip crayon. And think about going vertical and not horizontal when you overline. Now, what do I mean by that? The corners, in other words, out, those don't need to be overlined. That'll make you look fake and like you just overlined and it looks crazy like a clown. So starting at the corners, I make sure that I don't overline there and that my liner or that my lip color meets my natural lip line at the corners of my mouth. And then I kind of start to overline as I get closer to the top. So get on the bottom, the corners of my mouth, fix them a little. The corners of my mouth meet my lip line, but the bottom is slightly underlined. And then to give kind of an ombre, pouty look, I do darker in the corners. Like that. And then I take concealer, another great reason to have an amazing concealer. And I just do a dot on the top and bottom. Now, matte lips are super in. Ombre lips are super in. This is kind of helping me get that effect both ways. But you can already see it's giving that pouty look, ombre look to it. And then I top it with chapstick. I top it with chapstick for a number of reasons. One, for some reason it stays longer all day for me. And I don't have time to go redo my lipstick very often with 3 kids. It's their fault. But also it gives me more hydrated lips, and which helps with that pouty effect. And it also gives me a matte finish, which is really in right now and I'm really liking lately. There's a really pretty ombre look now where it's lighter in the middle to give that pouty look, darker on the outsides. Still went vertical to give more of a pout there. Another thing you can do is if you still want more of a pouty bottom lip, you see I already have this natural shade where my lip kind of pouts over and gives a little bit of a shade. You can take a bronzer or a darker colored blush and just lightly dab it. And that kind of gives you more of a shadow to give the appearance that it's more pouty than it is, which is kind of a fun trick. Then I top it all off if you really want that matted look with a translucent powder. I know that seems weird, right? Powder on your lips makes it stay longer, gives it more of a matte finish, and it blurs the lines of any imperfections that you might have had. Love you, busy mamas.